welcome back to Kids Cook with Missy. Today we're making Epicure cupcakes, and the ingredients are 1 cup of almond milk, 1/3 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of apple cinnamon vinegar, and we are going to put 1 pack of Epicure powder. This is what it looks like. Let's pour in all of it. One cup of almond milk. 1/3 of oil. 1 teaspoon of apple cinnamon vinegar. With this one, make sure an adult helps you pour it, so then you don't pour too much. Make sure to put your teaspoon over the bowl so then you don't make a mess. Now let's get mixing. Mix it till it's all wet. And make sure there's no little bumps, because that could ruin it. Oh, and also, this is also gluten-free cupcakes for people that are gluten-free. Now that it is all wet, we are going to put 3 tablespoons in a Tupperware crystalware. You're going to use a spoon. One, 2, 3. Now we are going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. This is what it looks like, and it's been 1 minute, and now we are going to let it cool off for 1 minute. 1 package can make 3 crystal wave cups. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. Have a nice day. Bye.